Right, away we go, and this is where things get a little bit trickier. Don't worry, I'm pretty sure the trophies are out here, so it's all good. If you want to make this life really easy, use the Riffling Juicer, because they just die instantly. It's that thing. It's amazing. I'm not kidding though, they do. Everything just dies. Just like that, it's gone. It's not even difficult. However, these things do hurt you a lot, so do be careful. If you didn't tell already, by the way. I can't remember where the trophy actually is. It might be in there, but no, it can't be. It's not in that one. Yeah, I'm dead. Ice is slippery, be careful. You are likely to die a few times here, but don't worry, that's gonna happen. It's a tough area, so just be careful and you'll be fine. It's a tough neighborhood. Plus these ice things are really kind of annoying. Dead. Well, it's gonna be soon. Bye. Well, if I miss, it doesn't work. There you go, he's gone. But I'm dead at that point. It works if it gets him. I just want to upgrade the bouncer, to be honest. I don't really care about dying. No, I said I had changed the bouncer. And bull. Bouncer, you will kill them, not the Rift. The Rift will not. Bullshit. There we go. Die. What? When? How? Bullshit cup. Although my bolts rate is going up quite a lot. That you can't deny, the bolts go up. Oh, I hate this place, especially this ice section. It's the worst part. It actually is. Pretty much the worst part of it. Oh, you fucking cunt. You're actually a complete cunt. This weapon will be upgraded, I swear to you. Oh, now. Okay, I can't move. Yep, that's right. We bad. Yeah, if you like the power and devastation of it in the second game, you'll love it in this game. There we go. What's a cunt? Oh my god, I'm at 24 off again. Oh, I guess I'm about to die again, am I? Oh yay, I didn't die. How somewhat incredible. Give me that fucking health. I'm gonna die anyway. I might use the Riffling Juicer next time for that bit. There's some areas where I will use the Riffling Juicer. No question about it, I'll have to. So I will completely just die instantly. I will just literally die. Oh god. Oh dear. Now, I believe the Dan thing's around here somewhere. I'm sure it's around here. Yeah, it is here. Now, this is surprisingly difficult. It's up there. I know it is. Yeah, you have to... Oh, how do you do it? I can't remember how it is it works. But it's definitely that. I'm certain of it. I'm certain that's how it's done. I'm using the edge. It's not going to work, is it? Because I did it on here. I think that's why it didn't work before. Yeah, don't you fucking dare, game. I said, don't you fucking dare. Die, you useless cunt. Okay, you are going down. In my defense, I couldn't see. That's it, that's my defense. Okay, I'm so gonna get hit. That is so cheap. This level is probably the cheapest of all the levels. This one is just so unbelievably unfair. And you're gonna kill him, aren't you? No, not quite. Brilliant, near enough though. I'm certain it's up there. I'm certain of it. I'm certain it is. Because you have to like do the bouncy thing, but it's insane how you do it. Can't remember how it works. It's insane though. I can never remember how it works and how insane it is. But you're going down. He didn't go down up there. Okay, he's a fucking hacker. Right. It is up there, I know it is. I'm certain of it. Game Melty House, that's more like it. There we go. That's how it's done. I'm pretty sure it is. I'm going to look on YouTube because I really can't remember. Yeah, it definitely is this. It said, don't glide. There it is. That's how it's done. Snowman down. I think the only way to appreciate the brilliance of the Snowman Dan is to eliminate it via this. Hello, Snowman Dan. That's cool. Well, there you go, that's how it's done. It took long enough, but that's how it's done. Right. Shot. Ah! Yay! I wasn't paying attention. Oh, fuck! I hate this level. Seriously, this is the worst level by far. This is my worst level. And the second time I do it, I'll have the fucking rhino, so they can just try and stop me. Okay, how the fuck is he still fucking alive? Are you a cunt? The baby's bought, you know it. Okay, you can go to hell. What the fuck? Oh, now you go. So now when you're fucking going into the... Oh, take out my secondary weapon. Die. Right, let's go and do this. At least I've got the skill point. That means I've only got 4 more to do. Not sure what they are. I can't remember. Is it 4 or is it 3? Actually, it might be 3. No, it is 4. What is it? Turn up the heat. Oh, that's by that thing. Can't do that yet. Bash the bug. That's easy-ish. It's easy-ish. Then there's... break it, you win it, and this, okay, so there's only 2 I've missed, but I can't actually do one of them yet. I seriously recommend doing this, trust me. I really recommend doing it. It will help. Beyond belief. More than you can possibly imagine. the bolts have I missed maybe from these guys? Nope. Alarm ninja survived though. But 2 more ninjas survived. The alarm ninjas. Bring on. Oh crap. Drastic measures, when that happens, just use the rift. No other way for it. Sometimes you need to use the rift. The rift can be your friend. Here it is, trophy. It's an easy trophy. It's a really easy trophy. It's really easy. Go here's some more bolts. Yeah, I didn't want to use the rift, I wanted to use the bouncer a bit more, but oh well. Corpse in there as you can see. Can't get to it yet, but you can go as Clank. So this is Clank time. Now this is a pretty annoying Clank section, however you can get a load of bolts, which I do like. Actually, I like it a lot. Oh well. My point exactly. That's 2,600 or so. Hello? I dare you to attack. Well done. And I dare you to follow. And I dare you to run away quickly. Ooh, you're lucky. Right, if you go this way, gentlemen, you will see this. I would like you to enter it. Where are you? Oh, you did enter it. Okay. Well done then. So what, you want a medal or... Go! Over there is Bolt City. That's the place I like. Over there. Yeah. If there's any level I hate most in this game, it is this one. There is no other level. If you say, what level do you hate most in Ratchet Clank 3? Instantly I say this. Because those quark things. I know if you have the wrist inducer it's a lot easier, blah blah blah, but even with it, it's still a bitch. It's not a particularly long level, but it's just how hard it is. But it's okay, I suppose. Could be worse. Okay, we've seen this before. Can I skip it? Yes, we can. Okay, I like this bit. Why do I like this bit? This is the bit with the bolts. The bit with the bolts is nice. Hit it and run. Wait for the bolts count to go up. And how much is it? Oh yes, that's right, 6,665. And that's just with Clank. How impressive. What I don't understand is how Quark has all this stuff. I mean, really, why does he have all this stuff? Can I jump down there, or... Okay, I can. Fair enough. Okay, this way. That banana went through the wall. Well, that is mildly impressive. Monkey. Oh, fuck. Okay, good. Ah! One over there. Please go for that one. Thank you. Right, let's get this one and hopefully it won't disintegrate. Monkey! Get it. Thank you. Thank you, boy. Oh, there is one. And then you can see that. I'm just praying it was there. Ah, there we go. Oh, see ya.